Open your browser and search for Rufus and go on official website. Download the portable version. I have already downloaded it. Now search for Kali Linux and open the official website. There are a number of versions you can download. I will download 64-bit. Here you can choose direct download or torrent download. I will not download it again, I have already done it. Now open the downloaded Rufus portable. Before that, connect your USB drive. Once you connected your USB drive, it will be shown. Now select your USB drive and then select the boot selection as ISO. Click on select and select your Kali Linux ISO file and keep all settings as default. Wait for the process to complete. It will take few minutes. Once it done, restart your PC and go into BIOS by pressing F2 or delete button. It will depend on your system. Now go into boot menu and change the priority and make your USB drive first. If you want, you can enable fast boot menu. Now save the changes and exit. By pressing F12, boot manager will be open and now select the USB drive. As you can see, Kali Linux is booted. Now you can choose install or any other as you want. I will select live. Your Kali Linux is successfully opened and there are many apps